whole northern New Jersey market is out of control. There's no inventory. They said, Dr. Real Estate, can you get us some more inventory, specifically multifamily inventory? And that's what I did. Welcome to 166 Lincoln Place in Garfield, New Jersey. It is a multifamily. Both units have been renovated. Each unit has 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Taxes are reasonably low. Come take a look. Let me know what you guys think, and we'll be in touch. Well, there you have it, guys. Thank you for joining me in this video walkthrough. If you guys are interested, there's my cell phone, there's my email. Shoot me a message. We'll go live tomorrow, and I'll see you on the next one.